Are you looking for a small business loan? How would you like to have money in your account in as little as 5 to 7 days? Here at I Can Lend You Money, we provide businesses with unsecured loan alternatives, no collateral needed, called merchant cash advances. Applications are quick and funding is fast. And hey, credit scores won't make or break the deal. You can get up to 2 times the amount your business makes in 1 month. FAQs. What is the interest rate? Between 8 and 39%. What is the repayment structure? It can be daily, weekly, or monthly. Plus, there are no hidden fees or late fees to deal with. But wait, there's more. You get a prepayment discount if you pay it off early. Ready to get started? Great. Just call 630-333-5335 now to see just how much money your business qualifies for, or email us using the form on this page. We look forward to giving you that small business loan to help you enhance your business today.